Okay, hello, I'm Dr. Michelle Londa, and I am the Cooperative Education Coordinator here in the Ingram School of Engineering. What is cooperative education? Cooperative education, or commonly called co-op, or here in the Ingram School of Engineering, it's called the Co-op for Cats program, is a program where we include both academic instruction here in the university and work experiences in the fields of electrical, industrial, manufacturing, and civil engineering. So it's a phenomenal way to apply the knowledge that you have been learning here at the university. Okay, cooperative education I think of as a win-win-win program. You're getting your college education, you're gaining industrial experience, and you're earning significant amounts of money to help you reduce your debt. That's one of the major benefits. One of the major benefits is the salary that you will be earning. Your co-op earnings also do not have to be reported on the FAFSA form. The in-depth experience that you gain over 2 to 3 semesters of work experience is going to be a huge benefit that will help you understand what you really like to do, perhaps what you don't like to do, and your ability to make a better job choice is going to be increased because of cooperative education. Throughout my junior and senior years of undergrad, I worked with Dow Tube co-ops. I worked with DuPont for my final semester. That ability to get out of school for a couple semesters changed my life. My motivation increased significantly. The ability to earn a good wage and pay for my college education by myself was enabled because when I went back to school, I did not have to work. I had enough saved from my co-op salary that I could go to school full-time and not have to work. That changed my life. To this day, I am a champion of cooperative education, and I hope y'all get to meet you someday soon and help you gain the benefits that I and so many other students have found with cooperative education.